Okay, you all, thank you so much for joining day 9 of Vlogmas. I am having a blast. I haven't done this in a while. We talked about what Vlogmas is and what to expect in some of my earlier Vlogmas videos. So if you want to see what that's about, go ahead and go back. However, I have a ton to talk about. First and foremost, this is all centralized around opening one of our advent calendar gifts every single day. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. We're going to try to find day number 9, and then I got something else I need to talk to you about. So let's see how hard they made this for us today, because there are a bunch of these little drawers and things to look at. Let's see. Oh, number 9 is right here on top. That's my fault making it hard. So let's see what we got. Let's dig in here. Oh, and then it says something cool here on the back. Spread the love. Think up a small act of kindness you can do for someone today. What could I do that would be an act of kindness for someone? I don't know. Tell them how cute they are. People love when you be like, oh, I love your outfit and it's because it brings out your eyes, and they're like, oh really? So I love giving little compliments like that. So this one is, what do we have here? It's always hard for me to see through this screen. We have Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. I love masks. You didn't always used to be into masks, but I love them. I use them all the time now. I even travel with the masks sometimes, like the sheet masks. I travel with those now, so I'll have to see how you use this, but I absolutely love doing facial care and things now. So this is going to fit right into my beauty routine. What little routine I have is going to fit right into my beauty routine. So then, now that brings us to the next part of today's Vlogmas video rather, not a vlog today, but some of it does have to do with one of my vlogs. So what I'm gonna do first of all is recap on, if you missed the vlog where I went to Dallas, and it's one of my Vlogmas videos. It is yesterday's number 8 Vlogmas video. You'll see that I went back to Dallas for the second time, and I did do a little bit of shopping, and I want to talk you through just a little bit of that, and also do a bit of an unboxing. And I have a little story around the other unboxing, which you'll probably be like, OMG, when I tell you about this. But I went to Zara, and Zara, the reason why I went to Zara to pick up something specific was because when I went on another trip, and I vlogged about that as well, to Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, there was like maybe a 3-video series on that one. I bought, what did I buy? I bought this shirt. It's hard to see here with the sunlight, but it is like a mock turtleneck slash muscle shirt slash tank top slash t-shirt, and it is ribbed knit. It is all of the things in one. So when I first picked this up, I was like, I think I'm gonna love this, but I'm not sure. Let me just stick with picking up the one, and I did. And I said, and I told myself if I loved it, I would go back and pick up all the other colors, which I tried to, and started out with this black one here, and I got it in Dallas when I went shopping in the Galleria Mall there in Dallas. Oh, this smells so good. I can smell my perfume on here. It smells so good. I wore this straight away. The next day after I bought this, it was on my body. I absolutely love these. I would recommend them. They're $10. The only issue with this is that they only had a few more of the colors in the store. I think there's 2 more. So now I'm going to have to be on the hunt for the rest of the colors in a Zara. I'm looking for, I think there's a blue one and a darker charcoal gray that I didn't pick up. I have the green, I have the tan color, and they were all $10. So I really love these. You're going to see these on repeat. They're really great basic, and it's a good way to punch up in an unorthodox way any kind of outfit, because you got the guns out. People are not expecting that with that type of a cut. I really like that. The other thing that I got when I was out there, I went to the Gap, just ambling around with one of my coworkers, and ended up picking up a band t-shirt. And the original price on this t-shirt was $35, and they put it down in the sale for $5, and the sign said an additional 20% off of all sales. So I was like fully expecting that this would be like $4. And then when I got to the register, they're like, hey, you have these Gap rewards points or dollars or something, like, do you want to use that? So it ended up being free, and I only paid the tax on this t-shirt. So just to give you a little bit of detail, it's an Aretha Franklin t-shirt. So I'm super excited to rock this one. I almost wore it to a party last night, but I ended up being lazy and sticking with an all black outfit, keeping it easy. Now, the other part of, quote, my unboxing that I want to share with you is the fact that while I was away this past week, I forgot just how overzealous I got over the whole Black Friday week, and you kind of get early access to that. And then on Black Friday itself, I did a ton of ordering. And when I got back, and these are not even all the boxes, when I got back, there was a mountain of boxes waiting for me. Sad part about it is I don't even remember what's in those boxes. So we're gonna have to go down that path. I picked up a couple boxes here that I believe are shoes. So let's go ahead and open those up together. So like I said, I don't know. I really did get overzealous with this, and oh yeah, so this is a pair of shoes. I can see already that this is from Schutz. I feel like this might be something that not everybody will like. I've purchased a pair of several pairs of Schutz at this point. I think I've purchased, this might be my third pair of Schutz shoes. I have a pair of boots and I have a pair of sneakers. I feel like that's it. This is a pair of shoes. I've been eyeballing this for a while. I almost bought it when I was in Beverly Hills, but I didn't want to crowd my suitcase with it, but I'm glad that I didn't, because during the Black Friday sale, this went even further down in the sale. I can't remember the original price on this, but anyway, it comes with a little dust bag for the shoes, which is great. Should I decide to travel with it, this would be great. They won't scrape against each other, because it's important for this particular pair of shoes that they do not scrape against each other. Hopefully they sent me the right size, because the last time I got shoes from, not the last time, but the first time I got shoes from Schutz, which was a pair of pink metallic knee boots. They're kind of, yeah, knee boots, that's what they were. And they sent me a half size too big, and I can definitely feel the half size difference. This one is a pair of Mary Janes, and I don't know that it's everyone's jam because of, one, the coloring. First of all, the fact that it's a sort of a Mary Jane style type of shoe. Two, the coloring of it and the shape of the toe. So let's get into it. So this is let me take the paper out so you can get a feel for it. This has a short little sort of block heel. It is silver and black. And I don't know, people don't really care for sort of this wide rounded toe kind of a look. But it's comfortable for me. The way my feet are set up, this is the most comfortable shape for my feet. I do pointed toe. I hate square toe, but this is sort of a happy medium. I will do almond and round. Almond and round are my favorite. So I will have to find the price, and if I have the wherewithal, put it on the screen. But I ended up paying $58 for this pair of shoes. I feel like these were nearly $200, if not $200 originally, and I got them for $58. But I'm absolutely in love with these shoes. Hopefully they fit. When I went into the Schutz store, I tried on a 6.5, and they were too big. So this 6 is, it's still slightly loose. But I tried on the 6.5, and it definitely wasn't going to work. But the 6 has room. I suppose if I ever want to wear some thick socks, that I would still be comfortable. But I think these are about the normal thickness of a sock that I would be wearing, and there's a slight bit of room in here. They won't fall off because I have a strap. So this is good. I am happy about these shoes. I just have to now find some space in my already overcrowded closet to put them. All right, let's get into the next one. The next one, I knew right away what they were, and this one is a pair of shoes from Betsey Johnson, because the tape says Betsey Johnson, which you cannot, yeah, you can see it a little bit now, but the tape says Betsey Johnson. So let's open this up together. I already remember, like, knowing that it's from Betsey Johnson, I remember what shoes these are. Again, these are another pair, like both of these shoes that I just ordered. My grandmother, she passed not too long ago, but my grandmother would absolutely love these shoes. It's funny how fashion skips a generation. I used to make fun of my grandmother for loving sort of these outlandish and just attention getting type of styles and colors and things like that, but here I am doing the same thing. So these are a pair from Betsey Johnson. If you can see that here, I really enjoy the quirkiness of Betsey Johnson. I don't have very many pieces from her. It's not inexpensive. Oh, this is cool. They give little extra pieces just in case. Okay, let me show you the shoe first, and then we'll talk about why that's relevant. So this is a loafer. Oh, the bottom is super cute. This is a loafer, and it's not just any loafer. I'm gonna have to probably, where's my phone, so we can do some B-roll so you can see what we talking about here. first and foremost, so it's a loafer. From your eye, it just looks like a regular white loafer. Look at the sole. It's like this Tiffany Robin's egg blue or Tiffany blue sort of sole. That is beautiful. And it's structured in a way that I feel like the color will last. But let me show you what we looking at. Chill. Look at this shoe. So it has like pearls and stones and diamonds and stuff. So up close there is a texture to it. Gives it a little bit of pizzazz. It's not just a regular white shoe. And I do have some white loafers, which means I'm going to have to get, I always have to one in, one out. I don't like to have multiples and, you know, triplicates, quadruplicates, all that stuff anymore. I used to be a fan of that, but not anymore. So I'm going to have to get rid of. Based on the sizing guide, I do believe, I remember getting a 6.5. I can't see through the lens here. Yeah, I think this is a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5. And then the sole, you all. Look how cute this is. So this is what I'm saying. It has like a textured patch here. So this is where your foot makes the most contact with the ground. So this is the part that will, you know, get dirty, rub off and all of that. And I think the rest of this, the part that people will see when you walk, will pretty much stay intact. So it won't peel because of the damage to this one portion. I'm happy with this. Yes. So I forget the price, so hopefully I have the wherewithal to show you the pricing on this as well on screen, so you can see what discount I got. I got this, you know, down in the Black Friday sale as well. They did an early sale. I can't remember when it started, but that's how I was able to get this so soon after ordering. So that's the second pair of shoes. So I have a mountain of things to open that I don't really know what's in everything. We'll start to get through that mountain together. I'll open a little bit every day. Some of it I will not be able to show you because some of it are gifts for friends and family who some of them may by chance happen to be watching. My family don't be really watching, but I just have a feeling that the one time that I'm revealing something secret, that's the one that they're going to tune into. But aside from my parents, my friends and family don't watch this. All right, you all. Back tomorrow.